Fósa go dtéanaí seo, welcome to this video. We're going to look at phrases that you can add to your wedding cards this year to pop in some Gaeilge, because this is a question I get asked a lot, especially at the moment because we're in summer season anyway, not summer weather. So there are a lot of weddings happening. So you can pop any of these into your cards to wish the bride and groom congratulations and best of wishes os Gaeilge. For this, firstly, you can download a PDF, a really handy PDF that has loads of handy Irish that you can use to add into your emails, either work or personal, and you can grab that down below. It's completely free. And we also have a daily translation challenge that we run every single day. You can get this straight to your email, and this gets amazing feedback. People are saying it's really helping them improve their Irish. Acharailin, on we go. So on your wedding day is law the Fósta. Law the Fósta. Now I don't have pronunciation guides here in this slide because it's really focused on writing in your cards, but you can type any of these into aber.ie if you would like to hear them pronounced in each of the dialects. So on your wedding day, law the Fósta. Now the means your for singular, so it's writing it to one person. And then another way to say on your wedding day is lá do bhainise. Lá do bhainise. Banish is wedding, and then posta is marriage. So this is basically on your marriage day, on your wedding day, but they both mean wedding day. Now, if you would like to wish the bride and groom, plural, a happy wedding day, then you would change this to lá mhór or vor, depending on your dialect, bosta. Lá mhór bosta or lá robusta, or lá mhór manaise or lá mhór manaise. Again, for pronunciation, if you are interested in saying it, then you can type it into aber.ie and choose your dialect, but otherwise this is how you write it. So this is plural on your wedding day to the bride and bride, groom and groom, etc. And then congratulations to you both is Comhghairdeas leis an mirt agaibh. Comhghairdeas leis an mirt agaibh, or Comhghairdeas leis an mirt agaibh. Comhghairdeas leis an mirt agaibh is congratulations to you both. And then we wish you all the best. We'll finish with this one. Guimid gach ra uri, or Guimid gach ra urv. This is we wish you all the best, or I wish you all the best if the card is just from you. Guim. Guim gach ra uri, or Guim gach ra urv. So Shine, hopefully you find them useful. You can just pause videos and write them into your cards. Don't forget to get your free download below, and also sign up to the free translation daily challenge to help you improve your Irish. Gurv Mila Mahad, thank you so much. August long go fall. Bye for now.